All right, y'all. Let's give you an update about Bybit trading bots. Okay, so let's have a look at my bots and let's see how they are performing. Okay, so a few days ago I've launched three bots: Phantom, Matic, and BNB. So as you can see right here, I only have the Matic right now. The other two, I've closed them because they were not performing as well as this one right here. So 5 days, well, let's call it 6 days. Okay, in 6 days, total P&L is 1028. Okay, which is above 1%, is close to 2% a day, which is really good. And if you click on details, we can see more information about the bots. Okay, so total grid profit 254. Okay, total APR, so as you can see right here, 749 is way above 365, which is 1%. Okay, it's close to 2%, like I said. And yeah, it is doing, this bot did really well. Okay, and I was making, well, I'm still making 14 cents per trade. Okay, not bad, not bad. So this bot is doing really well. I'm really pleased with this one. So the other two bots, they are spot grid bots. Okay, so they've been around for a while. Okay, the AVAX and Solana. Okay, but I'm not gonna touch these two bots. Okay, so if you come over here to completed bots, we can see that I also deployed another bot, which was the Arbitrum USDT. Okay, so I've launched, the bot was live for 13 hours and 54 minutes, and I managed to make 2.17% profit on that. Okay, next one up was the DOGE. Okay, I launched the long position, right, and again was live for nearly 14 hours, and I've managed to score 2.15%. All right, so if you do day trading, making above 1%, it's really good. Okay, guys, and remember, this is just a testing bot, so I'm still testing it out because I have to, see what works and what doesn't work. Okay, in terms of long position, number of X's, price ranges, and grids. Okay, that's why I'm only investing small amounts. Okay, because I need to test it out before I actually put more capital in. Okay, so these two, they did really well. Okay, so the BNB bot was live for nearly 4 days and a half. Okay, and I've managed to make 3.83%. Okay, so close to 1% a day. All right, so BNB, well, all the market is very quiet lately. Okay, he hasn't been performing much. BNB hasn't done much. Okay, guys, hence the low P&L. Okay, so I have a few bots that have been stopped by the stop loss, like this one right here. Okay, so I made a mistake of shorting with 10x, right? So I got stopped by the stop loss, 5%, 5.2% down. Okay, and again, this one over here, I was wrong, so I got stopped again by the stop loss, right? And over here, the neutral, when the Phantom pumped really hard. So bot was trading here, and then all of a sudden the Phantom pumped. Okay, and that was more than 5%. My stop loss was set at 5%, so I got stopped probably around here. If I had my stop loss for 10%, however, I wouldn't be stopped, and I would continue to trade, and the bot would still making really good profits. Because remember, I set the bot from here, from this support line to this resistance line, or probably over here. Okay, and I think it was 49. And yeah, I would still be on trade and would still be making money. Okay, so something to consider in the future when deploying bots. Probably extend my stop loss to 10%. Okay, because whenever a coin pumps really hard, eventually there will be a pullback, and I will not get stopped out. But it could happen the other way as well. So the Phantom could pump, okay, retract a little bit and pump even harder. Okay, guys. So if that was the case, I would lose 10% instead of 5%. Okay, but there's some things that we have to consider when trading. Okay, And this one is old. That's it. That's it. Okay, so 3 stop losses and 3 wins so far. Okay, so today I'm going to deploy a few more bots. Okay, and yeah, let's see how it will go. Okay, so I'm going to create a new future grid bot, and the first one in line is going to be Phantom. I'm going to go back to Phantom. Okay, so Phantom, I'm gonna set the trading bot, neutral grid trading bot. So as you can see, it's 20%. Where is the 10%? 10% is right there. 7%. Yeah, I'm gonna set a new neutral grid bot for Phantom. So let's go. Phantom right there. And let's see what the AI is saying. So the neutral, let's go manual and place the strategy. So the neutral 039, 049. So if you come over here, 039, it's right here. Yeah, it matches with this dip over here. And 049 is right here. It matches with the top. Okay, yes. So the bot is telling me to trade between here and here, which is at 25%. Okay, bot will trade between there and there. So with the middle point, so 25 is 12 and a half. Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's right here where the price is right now. But yes, I'm gonna deploy the bot with these settings right here. I'm happy with those, even though I really don't believe, when was this, 28th of March, I really don't believe the Phantom will go all the way to here. So probably I'm going to decrease the settings to here and leave this one over here. So 15%. So in that case, this one will change. Yeah, so I'm going to go for 0.42 and 0.49 instead. 0.42 and 0.49. Yeah, that's fine. So number of grids. So in terms of number of grids, so let's see. So that's a 15% in terms of number of grids. So if you do, we're gonna go 5x leverage. Well, actually, we're gonna go neutral. So we're gonna go with 10x leverage. So 10x leverage with 25 grids, the profit will be per grid will be between 428 and 519. Okay, so we just need to make 1 or 2 grids profit so we can close the trade. So I'm gonna go again with 25 grids. Okay, so minimum investment, as you can see right here, 1.075. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bots to deploy. So I'm going to deploy, I'm going to invest 15 on this one, and take profit, I'm going to go for 5%, and stop loss, I don't want to be stopped at 5%, so I'm going to put 10%, even though it's supposed to be the other way around. I don't want to be stopped. Okay, I don't want to be stopped, and I'm gonna test this strategy out, and let's see how it's gonna play out. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave it 5%. I'm gonna leave 5% for now, and let's see how it goes. So that one is done. Okay, so next one up, we have the Solana. Okay, the Solana, I want to go long on Solana. Let's just have a look over here. So that's 6.072% drop. I want to go long on Solana. but at the same time, Solana has to touch this support line right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, Solana, it's on the downtrend, and I believe once Solana touches this support line, probably will bounce back up. Okay, so I would like to go long on Solana. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a long position for Solana. I'm gonna set a long position, but we still have to drop a little bit more. So we still have to drop 0.68%. So which is not bad, not bad. So we can, if we zoom out a little bit, and if we set our stop loss for 5%, so 5% from here, it's right here. Zoom out a little bit. So the last dip was over here. This was on the 27th. Okay, even if it comes to this dip over here again, it's not gonna stop me from that. Okay, so I'm gonna go long and set my stop loss of 5% on Solana. Okay, so that one is done. And with Solana, again, I'm gonna go long. So as you can see, guys, it's very easy to deploy neutral grip bots. Obviously, you have to do some technical analysis and try to find chart patterns so you can have a better prediction. But obviously, nowadays, it's very hard to predict when the market has some bad news, regardless what the price chart is saying. Um, the chart will do the opposite. Okay, the chart will follow the news and not the chart patterns no more. Okay, so if we go Sol, if you got Sol long, so it's gonna be between 19,308 and 2109. Where is Sol? Come on, load up. Come on, Solana. There you go. So 19. What did you say? 19,300, 2189. 19,300. It's right here. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. And 2189. 2189. So let me get this. 2189. It's about, okay, it makes sense. But at the same time, I don't think Solana will pump this hard, okay? Because that's 10%. But it makes sense. It makes sense. So if I use the AI, yes, probably I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna set my stop loss for 5%, or probably a bit lower. I'm gonna set my stop loss for 6.5%, and I'm gonna use the AI configurations, which is these ones right here. Okay, yeah, it makes sense to me. So I'm gonna go long. So it's telling me 300 number of grids. So let's go manual. The grids, I am going to add a few more grids. So 25 grids, okay. And profit per grid is going to be like 1%. Okay, so leverage, I'm going to go for 5x leverage, right? And investment is going to be 15 again. Okay, and take profit. So from here to here, let's say 5%. I'm going to say, I'm not going to go greedy. I'm going to go 5%. And the stop loss is going to be 6.5%. 6.5%. Huh? 6.5. Whoa. Oh, he doesn't let me do 6.5. Okay, let's go 7%. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So we're gonna go long 5x. Da, 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 da. Yes, I want to confirm that. And that one is done. So next one up, we have the TRX. Okay, so the TRX is the tricky one. As you can see right here, TRX is forming this. It has this pattern right here. So from here, it can either go up or down. Okay, but at the same time, this red line here shows us a big resistance right here. So if you zoom out, let me reset the chart. So if you zoom out a little bit, we can see that, you know, TRX struggles to overcome this support line, okay, resistance line, and therefore it's a tricky pattern to trade on this one right here. So I might leave it alone, or I could just deploy a neutral grid bot, because even though if it goes above this red line, probably is going to get rejected one more time and it's going to come back down. Okay, but so if it comes back down, and also as you can see right here, he's doing higher lows. Okay, so the lows are getting higher, so I believe we're going to see a breakout on the upside, from the upside, um, but you know, that's just my speculation. But even so if you come over here to here, it's just 4%, or from here 3%. Okay, so there is a potential, um, there's a possibility to make to deploy a neutral grid bot over here just for the time being. Okay, just for a few hours, and probably make a quick buck. So let me see what the AI bot is saying. So let's test it out and let's see what's up. If not, I still have the XRP, DOGE, and Ethereum. Okay, so we're gonna get the TRX. So yeah, that is not been trading much. Okay, so if you go neutral, so 0.063, 0.069. So let's get this. Damn. Right here. Well, that's a bit too low. And 0.69. Yeah, that's a bit too high. Nah. Yeah, the trading bot is telling me that it's gonna trade between lower band and upper band, right? But right now, as you can see, it's consolidating right here. Okay, so from here, I would probably set up my bot for this one right here, or even this one, that one, and this one right here. So it's a 4% difference. Okay, and so let's see, 0.64 and 0.67. So we're gonna go manual. 0.64 and 0.67. Yeah, the profit is not going to be that much. So if you're going to go 10 leverage, yeah, as you can see right here, it's not going to be profitable to deploy these bots and incur the risks, because as you can see, the profit per grid is very low. So I'm going to skip this one, the TRX. So next one in line, we have the XRP. As you can see, the XRP is doing lower highs, and the lows are quite the same. Okay, so from here, I'm quite curious to see what's gonna happen. So again, this one I could say, yeah, XRP might come to this line right here again and bounce back up, or maybe not. Okay, there's this line because it really matches with this one. So I don't know. Probably going to leave this one as well. Leave this one alone. Next one up, we have the DOGE. Okay, DOGE. I'm thinking to go long on DOGE one more time because I did went long. When was it? Yesterday, I think it was yesterday. I did go long and yeah, I made a 2% or 3% profit on that. So as you can see right here, is currently sitting on this line, and as you can see in the past, this is a really good support line. And yeah, I would like to set up a long bot one more time. But even though the EMAs are telling me otherwise, right? It's a tricky one. So let's go over to Bybit. Let me close this down. XRP go. Which one is it? DOGE. DOGE or ETH? Probably ETH. And then last one I have is ETH. Okay, ETH right now, it's in a position where, you know, as you can see right here, that this where the price is right now, it matches with the previous resistance lines. Okay, so it was rejected right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, it's currently being rejected many times, and it might go down or it might go up. So probably, I don't know, I'm in two minds with either. Let me test the DOGE first. Let's see what the DOGE bot say for the long one. Let's get a strategy. So 0.067 and 0.11. Price range 0.67. Well, that's way below. Uh, 0.67 right here and 0.11 right there. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. But what I can do is I can launch a long bot from here to here. So that's a 38% gain. Damn. Right. So yes, I'm going to deploy a long. So 0.775 and 0.105. Yeah, I'm going to go long on this one. And 0.75, 0.75, 0.105. 0.75, 0.105. Number of grids, I'm going to go for 25 grids. And leverage, 5x leverage. Okay, so profit per grid is going to be between 5 and 7%. And my stop loss, I'm going to set my stop loss probably here. So from here right now, because the bot is going to be deployed here, my stop loss, so probably 10% stop loss. Yeah, just a bit below. It's going to be a risky one. It's going to be a risky one, this one. So my stop loss is going to be at 12% and take profit. Take profit 20%, or even this one right here, 14%. Okay. So we're going to go 15 again. So take profit, we're going to go for 14%. And stop loss, we're going to go for 12%. Okay. And yeah, that's that. I'm happy with everything. So yes, 75. I'm gonna go ahead and deploy these bots. And they all up and running right now. So how many bots? I've got one bot right here. 1, 2, 3, 3 bots. 3 bots deployed. So I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got 4 bots right now. Okay. So probably gonna close this bot right here, the Matic bot. If it keeps if the APR keeps going down, I'll probably shut it down and deploy a new bot on that. Okay, this one is still initiating, so it hasn't been trading yet. So the Solana bot is already up and running. Liquidation price is 13.367. Okay, so the current price is 19. Okay, so next one we have the DOGE bot. Liquidation price is 0.058. If you come over here, 0.058 is right down here. Okay, it's where we set our stop loss. Okay, right down here. Okay, so we're still far away to get there, right? So we got 12% to go, and hopefully the price won't crash that hard. Okay, so yes, those are my bots. Okay, so ideally is the whole target is to make at least 1% per day from these grid bots. Okay, if I make 1%, that's 1% daily, and boom, that's it. Okay, guys, so I'm just testing it out, guys. So if you are following my strategies, only invest risk capital. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.